The last coin. In a small village, there lived a poor family. A father, a mother, and their little son, Sami. The father worked all day carrying heavy loads, but still earned very little. Every night, the family shared one simple meal. One cold evening, the father came home tired and silent. The mother asked softly, "Did you earn anything today?" The father opened his hand. There was only one coin. The mother looked at the coin and then at Sami. Sami was shivering with fever. The mother said, "This coin can buy medicine or food." They stayed quiet. Suddenly, Sami pushed the coin toward his mother. "Buy medicine for Baba," he said. "He works every day. I can sleep hungry." The mother's eyes filled with tears. She hugged Sami and went to buy medicine. That night, the boy slept without food, but with a smile. The next morning, a knock came at the door. It was the shopkeeper. "I saw your son last night. He gave his hunger to save his father." The shopkeeper gave them a bag of food and said, "Kindness never stays poor." 从那天, help came slowly into their lives, and the family learned, a rich heart is worth more than rich pockets. Moral of the story, true wealth is kindness and sacrifice.